Hello, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to hide battery percentage that is visible at the top right corner in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To hide our battery percentage and to make our screen a little cleaner at the top, we first have to go to our setting menu, settings, and we are looking for battery submenu. Here it is, battery and device care. And where to change it? We have to tap this little battery here, and at the bottom we have more battery settings. Here we have few options. Show battery percentage. This box is checked by default, so let's hide our percentage. As you can see, now our battery percentage is hidden from our main menu. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video. Goodbye.